कोरोना संकट के बीच पहली बार जीएसटी काउंसिल की बैठक हुई। जीएसटी काउंसिल की बैठक में जीएसटी लेट फीस से परेशान कारोबारियों को राहत मिली है। केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा कि जुलाई 2017 से जनवरी 2020 तक की अवधि में जिन्होंने जीएसटी रिटर्न फाइल नहीं किया है और जिन पर कोई टैक्स बकाया नहीं है, उन्हें अब रिटर्न फाइल करने पर कोई लेट फीस नहीं देनी होगी। वित्त मंत्री ने बताया कि 5 करोड़ रुपए के कुल टर्नओवर वाले छोटे करदाता जो फरवरी, मार्च और अप्रैल 2020 के जीएसटी रिटर्न 6 जुलाई तक नहीं भरेंगे, उन्हें सितंबर तक सालाना 9% ब्याज दर के साथ रिटर्न भरने की छूट होगी। पहले ब्याज दर 18% तय थी।
For small taxpayers whose aggregate turnover is up to 5 crores, for the supplies which have been affected in the month of February, March and April of 2020, the rate of interest for late furnishing of return for the said months beyond the specified date, which is 6th July 2020. For some people it is earlier, 4th July. For somebody else it may be 5th July. It was staggered. But the last of that date was 6th July 2020. The reduction is from 18% per annum to 9% per annum, and that also only till September 30th. You have to do it before September 30th. The rate of interest is reduced from 18% to 9%. In other words, for these months, small taxpayers will not be charged any interest till the notified days of relief. For February, March and April, because we have given time till July 6th, which is the staggered date, otherwise they would have done it in their respective months. Up to July, there's nothing that they have to worry about. They don't have to pay the late fee. But thereafter, it will be 9% instead of 18%. And this 9% for these small turnover people, turnover up to only 5 crores people, is only allowed till 30th September. So reduction in the interest rate is valid only up to 30th September. Similarly, another decision which is taken is to provide relief for small taxpayers for subsequent tax periods, which is the one which I just spoke about was for February, March and April. Now I am talking about for the period May, June and July. For that period also we are giving a relief for taxpayers having an aggregate turnover up to 5 crores. This further relief, which is provided by a waiver of late fees and interest if they file the Form 3B for the supplies which have been affected in the months of May, June and July by September 2020.
कोरोना संकट के बाद ये पहली बैठक थी। इससे पहले मार्च में हुई जीएसटी काउंसिल की 39वीं बैठक में भी कोरोना वायरस को लेकर अर्थव्यवस्था पर पड़ने वाले प्रभाव को लेकर चर्चा हुई थी। उस दौरान भारत में कोरोना वायरस के मामले बेहद कम थे और लॉकडाउन का भी फैसला नहीं लिया गया था। इस खबर में फिलहाल इतना।